Humble Media Genius. Hey, Ruff Ruffman here, coming to you live from my garage. I'm so excited. It's my first internet live stream. What are those words doing there? And why is it copying everything I say? What's going on? Lupin! Lupin!
Ruff, don't worry.
I'm not worried. Just confused. Where are you anyway?
I'm in our living room, testing out the accessibility features on our new TV. Those words are called captions.
Captions? What do they do?
If someone has trouble hearing the TV, they can turn on the captions and read the sounds. The words on the screen show everything people say, plus sound effects like phones ringing and cows mooing.
That's excellent! Captions let you read all the sounds, including what's being said.
Captions off.
Wait, if captions let you read the sounds, is there something where someone can tell you what's happening? Like if you can't see what's on the TV?
There is. It's called audio description. Audio description on.
Ruff stands in his messy garage.
Huh. Is that it?
Well, you're not doing anything.
Ruff walks across the garage. Ruff stops walking and balances awkwardly.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Ruff clumsily falls over.
You don't have to say everything I do.
Actually, Ruff, that's exactly what audio description does. It's for people who are blind or are visually impaired, so they can follow what's going on.
You mean no matter what I do, it'll be described?
Yep.
Oh, it's on. Let's see if they can keep up with the Ruffster.
Ruff turns on his record player and does a robot dance. Ruff writes down some sushi recipes. Ruff tries to lift a box of squeaky toys and drops it on his foot. Then dives out of the way to avoid getting hit by a stack of magazines. Ruff stops to catch his breath. Ruff puts googly eyes in a cactus. Ruff begins to knit a sweater for Chet, then remembers he has no idea how to knit. Ruff stretches his arms and legs, then runs around picking up white blocks, blue blocks, blue blocks, white blocks, blue blocks, white blocks, white blocks, and blue blocks to spell Humble Media Genius.
Audio descriptions off. Well, Ruff, the captions in the audio descriptions work great. Let's get you back to your live stream. Ruff? Hello? Well, Chet, looks like it's you and me. Want to grab a bite to eat? Lupin and Chet head out to the diner with visions of apple pie floating above their heads.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.